get straight to the charts. So thank you guys for watching this weekly outlet video for the charts for 22 4th 24, so for next week. And yeah, so let's crack on with the charts and let's go over some of the trends that I will be looking at. And this is my Twitter. If you haven't followed me, I do post my charts every week on this my Twitter page, SUFX. Okay, there goes the charts. Okay, oops, let's go straight to the charts. Alright, let's start off with the DXY. So pretty much I am looking at the H4. I'm not quite sure where the trend is actually going. So we have this high here on the daily. So that looks like a nice clean order block. Yeah, possibility can go there and retest and pretty much go down. And looking at the H4, there is a order block forming. So going down from the lower time frames, yes, not really clean. So pretty much, I'm just looking at something that's retesting and pretty much going here. But we have had a few trends that are going on some of these order blocks here. I'm just looking at this section here. Yeah, so it's not quite sure, but something like this I am looking at. But at this stage, I'm looking at bearish for now. All right, let's go to the EURUSD pair. So we do have a order block which has been mitigated. So pretty much, this is my theory anyway, but it can possibly go like this and go right down. So if we do have like a break of structure from here, this one here, let's get rid of that one. It's a bit confusing. So that's the daily high. If you look at the daily, I normally mark the highs and lows. So see this one low here. I haven't marked the bottom low, but the high I have marked it up. Okay, let's go back on the H1. So the H1 is quite clear. Yeah, looking at just the high to get wicked out and this low, pretty much. Yeah, so something like that. The first one was a bit confusing. Yeah, something like this I'm looking at. Or it could just bounce off that and then retest. It's just Monday, the markets are normally slow. Depends if we got any news coming around. Let's have a look at the news actually. Yeah, FOREX, my FX book. Okay. Let's have a look at the calendar. Yeah, what's that actually? I'm not quite sure what's. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I do have it saved. So the high impact news, that is okay. So I don't think we got anything on a Monday. It doesn't look like it. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like was it 21 today? 21. 22. Yeah, it's more likely Tuesday. We have we have some news coming around. So I normally trade New York Open, which is probably going to be here, around this time. So S&P Global, S&P Global Services, new home sales, yeah. And then look at next week, yeah. Okay, Thursday looks quite hot. So we got a lot of US news. So normally Thursday is one of my best days. I do like trading on a Thursday. Monday it can be. I probably like one trade if I see a clean zone. But I've noticed when there's no news, it just goes really slow. So if you got a lower time frame chart, then you can go through it. Okay, so I think there gives the news. Yeah, so something like this. Okay, let's go to the AUDCAD. pretty much, if you look at the H4, there was a clean order block which, hit it and bounced off. So I'm assuming it might just go to this, fair value gap imbalance. This is a time-based strategy that you could use as a normally ICT concept. I'm still studying it, and hopefully, I'll backtest it more and go from there. All right. So hold on, let me just go back there. Where was it? Okay, so that's an AUDCAD. It looks quite simple, to trade this one, but there's a few zones here that we can have a look at. We got OB there, equal highs and all that stuff marked up. Okay, with pound USD, let's have a look at the daily. Wow, it's probably okay, so that's been mitigated. I can't see an order block there. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just waiting it to retest somewhere around here and then go over, or it could just pretty much wick it out and go like an ICT trend, but only time will tell. Don't know about this one yet, so let's give pound USD a miss for now. Okay, alright, so this one looks quite nice. Let's have a look at the daily first on this one. Okay, so it is like a downtrend. Okay, yeah, it's actually just going down. So pretty much the H4. I normally look at the H4 a lot of times. So I just mark up the highs and lows. Go from here, and yeah, normally what I do is if it's like a New York time, especially like if it is 8:30, normally I mark up. So I got that saved. These are my templates. So 8:30 a.m. I like it to go right on the New York Open and then pretty much retest from there and then go up. Yeah, so this is USDCAD. It looks quite nice. If you look at it, it just looks really, really clean. Yeah, so pretty much that's probably, I'm looking at this side here, where it could bounce. We can have a big drop. So this is one of the pairs that you could have a look at. USDCAD, the reason for this one correlates with US oil, obviously with the ongoing situation. It would be a great time to actually catch some great trends. So for now, this looks like it is a downtrend. So pretty much if it could retest and go up and retest on this order block, this order block looks quite good to trade from. It's a nice zone. Yeah, okay. So that's it, folks, for the charts for next week. And hopefully I would bring some more videos and charts out and go from there. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your lovely comments behind. Thanks, and safe trading.